Good morning, students. Today we will study the electrochemistry. First of all, we will discuss electrochemical cell. Zinc by zinc 2 positive is on the left side. Salt bridge is in the center. And a copper 2 positive by copper is on the right side. On the side of anode, there will be oxidation. And on the side of cathode there will be reduction. As you can see, there are two half equations. Zinc by zinc 2 positive plus 2 electron. Here the 2 electrons are removed. Copper 2 positive by plus 2 electron, it gives copper. Here 2 electrons are added. As we can see, in the first equation there is removal of electron, so it is the oxidation half equation. And in the second half equation there is addition of electron, so this is the reduction half equation. So when we add the two equations, the electrons will be cancelled and the overall reaction will be zinc plus copper 2 positive gives zinc 2 positive plus copper. Then we will discuss the reaction quotient, which is denoted by capital Q, and it is equal to the concentration of zinc 2 positive by concentration of copper 2 positive. When we calculate E naught cell, then the formula is E anode plus E cathode. E anode is E oxidation and E cathode is E reduction. For example, zinc plus zinc 2 positive plus 2 electron, we consider it as E1, that is the equation of oxidation. Then zinc 2 positive plus 2 electron E2, we consider it the equation of reduction. From thermodynamics, if we reverse the direction of equation, then its quantity has to be negative. So the equation E2 is equal to minus E1. E reduction is equal to minus E oxidation. Now, if E naught cell is greater than 0, then the reaction will be feasible, that is a cell reaction. Now you can get the questions like this type. E naught zinc by zinc 2 positive is equal to 0.76 volt. E naught copper 2 positive by copper is equal to 0.34 volt. Decide the cathode, anode and E naught cell. Then how can we calculate? E naught cell has the formula E oxidation plus E reduction. The value of E oxidation is equal to 0.76 and E reduction is equal to 0.34 volt. So E naught cell will be 1.1 volt. Next question. E naught copper by copper 2 positive is equal to 0.34 volt. E naught zinc 2 positive by zinc is equal to minus 0.76 volt. Decide cathode, anode and E naught cell. Now, if we calculate E naught cell like this, E naught anode plus E naught cathode. So the value is minus 0.34 plus minus 0.76 volt. So the answer will be minus 1.1 volt. So this will be the wrong case. The right case will be like that. E naught cell cannot be less than 0. So we will just reverse the direction. E naught copper 2 positive by copper is equal to 0.34 volt. E naught zinc by zinc 2 positive is equal to 0.76 volt. This should be the right case. E naught cell is equal to E naught A plus E naught C. 0.76 plus 0.34, it will be 1.1 volt. So these are the two basic examples. Now, standard hydrogen electrode. It is abbreviated as SHE. E1 naught is for anode. The reaction will be H2, 2H positive plus 2 electron. E2 naught, that is for cathode. The reaction is 2H positive plus 2 electron, it gives H2. The overall reaction will be H2 plus 2H positive plus H2. E cell is equal to E naught A oxidation plus E naught C reduction. Now add the two, E1 naught plus E2 naught. But E naught cell is equal to 0. Now why E naught cell is equal to 0? If cathode and anode are made up of same electrode, then E naught cell for that will always be 0. Why? Because E oxidation will be minus of E reduction. So both will cancel out and it will be 0. Thank you so much.